Most people think becoming rich will solve their stress, but here's the disturbing truth. Most people who increase their income never actually increase their net worth. You can earn six figures and still feel broke. Let me ask you something personal. If your paycheck stopped tomorrow, how long would your life stay the same? 1 week? 1 month? Or would everything collapse? Income makes you feel successful. Net worth makes you safe. And safety changes everything. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 net worth levels that completely change your life. Level 1 is simple. You are no longer one emergency away from disaster. At this level, you have savings, no toxic debt, and breathing room. You stop panicking when your car breaks down. You stop fearing surprise bills. You sleep differently, because stability is not about luxury, it's about peace. Most Americans never reach this level, not because they can't, but because they focus on lifestyle instead of foundation. This is where discipline beats ego, where budgeting beats impressing people. At this level, you don't look rich, but you feel powerful, because you're not surviving anymore, you are stable. This is where life begins to feel different. Your investments start paying your bills. Your time becomes negotiable. You don't wake up forced, you wake up choosing. Freedom net worth means you can walk away from a toxic job. You can take a year off. You can pivot careers. Most people chase status, but freedom is the real flex. This is where money stops being survival and starts being leverage. You don't just work for money anymore. Money works for you. And something shifts inside you. Confidence grows, fear shrinks, opportunities expand. You think bigger, you move smarter, you breathe deeper. Level 3 isn't about you anymore. Your net worth is high enough that your decisions affect communities, families, generations. You invest in businesses, you fund ideas, you build systems. You don't just escape the game, you redesign it. At this level, wealth becomes responsibility, because real wealth isn't about consumption, it's about contribution. And here's the truth no one tells you. Level 3 doesn't start with millions. It starts with the mindset from level 1, discipline, delayed gratification, long-term thinking. The habits are built when no one is watching. Here's the contradiction. You don't build net worth to look rich. You build it so you don't have to look rich. You don't chase money. You build systems. You don't impress people. You outgrow your fear. Ask yourself tonight, which level am I truly building toward? Because your income pays you, but your net worth protects you, and protection creates power. If this inspired you even a little, subscribe. More life-changing stories are coming.